premium control in the palm of your hand with the One for All Assistant app. A QR code is present on every wall mount and TV stand manual and drill guide. Please download our One for All Assistant app from the Apple or Google Play Store. First-time users must accept a privacy policy. After that, we will install a wall mount as an example. In the wall mount menu, you can select the height finder, extra tools, product videos, and product manuals. We will use the height finder first. Please select your product. This is necessary for the height finder, but also for product videos and product manuals. You can now decide if the top, bottom, or center of the TV should be on a specific height. After that, enter the height to the bottom, top, or center point and select the size of your TV. It is also important to select your visa size. It will only show the applicable visa for the selected product. Last step is to select the distance between the bottom screw hole and the bottom of the TV. The app will tell you on which height the drill guide should be positioned. You can scan the logo with your phone camera. If the position is good for you, confirm and start drilling. You can use our tools to help you with installation. In the main menu, you can also select all product videos and manuals, ideal to watch before starting installation.